Good morning. Today we'll go through Leetcode Daily question, which is number 2566, maximum difference by remapping a digit. We'll go through the problem statement. You are given an integer num. You know that Bob will sneakily remap one of the 10 possible digits, which are 0 to 9, to another digit. Return the difference between the maximum and minimum values Bob can make by remapping exactly one digit in num. They have given a couple of notes. When Bob remaps a digit d1 to another digit d2, Bob replaces all occurrence of d1 in num with d2. Okay. Bob can remap a digit to itself, in which case num does not change. Okay. Bob can remap different digits for obtaining a minimum and maximum values respectively. The resulting number after remapping can contain leading zeros. Okay, so if I want to given my number 11891, if I want to achieve a maximum number, I always need to replace the leftmost digit of that particular number. There is no point of replacing the right ones. Here, suppose if I have 2, there is no point of replacing the right ones, because that will end up, even if that will increase the number, but the leftmost digit carries a bigger chunk. So if I replace the leftmost digit here, it will be 998992, because I am replacing 1 with 9, so that I will be ending up getting this maximum number. This is the maximum possible number that you can get. Now think, how can I get the minimum possible number? Minimum possible number is also the same thing. If I reduce this number, the leftmost digit, then I will be ending up getting the very least one, very low number, because reducing this number reduces the reduces my number by units place. This is in tens place, this is hundreds, thousands, and so on. The leftmost number digit, if you reduce it, it will reduce the entire number, so you will end up getting 008902. So this will be the difference between these two numbers is what the answer is about. Let's code it up. First I'm changing this num to string. Now I have string in my hand. I'll be getting the size of the string. First I'll be, from the very first index, I'll be taking, consider I have two strings. Maxi is the same string, and minimum for getting the minimum value, that is also same string. I initialize with two strings. Now I'll be starting while I is equals to 0, from I is equals to 0 while I less than n, and then now if my maxi number from the digits, starting digits is always, if they are 9, there is no point of replacing them. That itself is already a maximum thing. So just increment the index. Now I'll be storing, whenever I achieved a digit which is less than 9, I'll be storing the digit, that is the digit which I am supposed to replace in the rest of the number. I am doing the same thing. Then update this maxi of I to 9. Irrespective of anything, increment the index. I am done with the maxi. Now I'll be doing the same thing with mini. I already initialized I, so I am just updating the value with 0. And now here also, if I have mini of I in the starting, if I have zeros, there is no point of replacing them with zeros again. Just increment the index and find the number which is not 0, and capture that character Post capturing that character, now replace the characters. If you have seen such if you have seen such character, just replace that character with 0. If you have encountered any such character, replace that character with 0 and increment the index. Now I have maxi in my hand, max number in my hand, and min number in my hand. So I just need to convert this string to integer of maximum number minus string to integer of minimum number. This will be my answer. Let's run it and check it. Okay, we got an error because we didn't commented it. We'll discuss what is the time complexity. Time complexity will be order of 1, and space complexity will also be order of 1. Why am I saying order of 1? Because the size of the number will at max go to 10 to the power 8, which is 8 digits, 8 to 9 digits, and we are going through digit by digit, nothing more than that. So it will boil down to order of 1 only. And the space complexity, we are not using space more than 3 strings, and I mean maxi and mini, and that we are only using 2 strings. So the space complexity also boils down to order of 1. Let's try submitting it. Okay, so I'll also attach in the upcoming cards. I'll attach the you can see over the top my DSA playlist and the Leetcode questions which I solved and recorded. I'll also post the daily questions, and feel free to ask me if you want any other questions with any other question. And also, if you have any doubts in this particular problem, do let me know in the comments. Do like, share, and subscribe.